maida or all-purpose flour 2 cups, 1 cup lukewarm water, dried yeast 1 teaspoon, sugar 1 teaspoon, salt half teaspoon, olive oil 1 tablespoon. You can use instant variety of yeast in this recipe. When you are using instant variety of yeast, you don't need to soak the yeast in warm water. You can directly add it to the flour. That's the only difference. Otherwise the recipe will be same. Let's start making pizza dough. First we'll take this lukewarm water. This is 1 cup of lukewarm water. And I'm going to add this sugar to this. This sugar is going to help yeast to rise nicely. And this dry yeast, just stir it. This is just a lukewarm water, not very hot. Let this mixture rest for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, this yeast is rising up now. You can see. Now let's start making dough. In this all-purpose flour, add salt. Mix it properly. And make a well in the center. Add half tablespoon of oil here and this yeast water, and slowly mix it with water. As you can see, it has absorb all the water. You just gently knead it till all the dried flour gets incorporated with the dough. Now as you can see, all the dried flour is mixed with the dough now. This kneading process will help activation of yeast properly. Now we are going to add this remaining olive oil here. Cover this dough properly with this olive oil. Cover this vessel with the cling foil and let the dough ferment for about 1 hour. After 1 hour, this dough is ready. It's almost double the size. We can make about 2 pizzas of medium size with this dough. Just divide it into 2. Take some dry flour on the platform and you have to knead it. This kneading step is very important to get this crispy crust. Knead it about 5 minutes. This perfect pizza dough is ready. As you can see, it bounces back.